Oh, hi, what's up? I'm Natalie.
And I'm Thomas.
And this is The Word.
Everything you need to know for your eyes.
Your ears.
And your tail.
Oh, speaking of tails, this week's episode is all about animals.
Hunt you down, eat you alive, just like animals, animals like animals.
Even though we're humans, we're actually animals, Thomas. Woo! Take your paw and press play with it.
Go ahead and press play,
Yeah.
cause I want you to.
I bet you wondering when we gon' talk about it. I guess that all depends what you heard about it.